activities that will be facilitated in here we provided for future just holding out.
The other side, are they in the process or remember there was ceramics, I don't know what. Those are around here.
Around here. But here is not very expensive. We are screening another 9. We have 6 months to mobilize your resources. Within 1 year, we have not done the last.
Where are they? The last time.
Your Excellency, sir, because I think there are challenges a bit, so we are doing logistics. Jumbo Africa Auto auction is here. Third, they are making electric vehicles. It's a Dutch company.
Okay. On behalf of everybody involved.
Now, the station has 2 classes. This is normally for flexibility. In normal operation, it's always coupled and joined together, but there are certain situations where you are undertaking maintenance. Same substation, Your Excellency, we can supply to customers at 66. Customers, ultimately, sometimes we are able to supply customers at 66. This is the expansion that is out there, which is going to facilitate a line to be done from the truck substation, coming all the way to this particular.
Reduced from 3 US cents to 2 US cents already.
Hey! And the three countries that I told you the ones that are supposed to travel.
Leo tumekuja kuanzisha ile ya muhimu zaidi, na hiyo ni stima. Hii station ambaye tumeweka pesa ya serikali milioni 700 kuunganisha stima kwa special economic zone hii ambayo itakuwa industrial city ya Kenya hapa Naivasha. Hii umeme sasa ndio itafanya yale makampuni yote ambayo tayari tumepangana na wao ili waweze kuanza kazi katika sehemu hii. Pongezi kwa Kenya Power, pongezi kwa wizara ambaye inahusika na mambo ya energy kwamba hii station sasa tumekamilisha na tumekubaliana na wao ya kwamba lazima kuwe na reliable, affordable, accessible power in this place. Wamenihakikishia kwamba kutakuwa na line 3 ambayo itasupply umeme ama stima hapa. Moja ikikuwa na kasoro, hiyo ingine itafanya kazi. Hiyo pia ikipata na matatizo, hiyo ingine itafanya kazi. So hapa hatutakuwa na blackout at any one time.